They tell me to curb my appetite. They say I can't keep myself from trying a bite of every plate in sight. They worship patience, a virtue. Oh, they tell me gluttony's a sin, but my desire is bottomless. I wanna slit your throat and eat till I get sick. The slaughter's on. I'd love to see you come undone, unsatisfied until I've got you flayed alive. So grab a plate, have a taste. Jacomeir, watch and sway. I'm still preying on a butcher's vein. To truss you up in pretty patterns, oh, to dress your flesh up with the works, perfectly portioned by a dagger, serving the finest leftover dessert. Why would I desecrate a carcass? Oh, I let the offal go to waste. It's love that guides my cleaver with such tenderness, a perfect strike to fix the horror on your face. The slaughter's mine, oh, blood and viscera and pride, preserved and primed, each muscle divvied up to dine. And in the high Watson's eye, Taitian heaven's Lindic eye, I'll devour all of you in time. Oh, your heart, hey, you're the quirk of art, my love, my knife, to carve it out your life. So grab a plate, have a taste, Jacomeir, watch and say. I'm still preying on a butcher's vein. Just not within you, I want to get within you. I want to not forgive you. Rigor mortis, mold and mildew. But dear, you should be grateful that I won't waste a good meal, that all my love's precision carbs cut to simply die for. To snap this in you, I want to get within you. I want to scar the tissue, butterfly and rectify you. I need to be your afterlight, Eucharist I deify. Gotta fuck the fork and knife, I'll rip in hands and teeth and take a bite. The slaughter's on, I'd love to see you come undone, unsatisfied until I've got you flayed alive. So grab a plate, have a taste, Jacomeir, watch under. I'm still preying on a butcher's vein. And now the slaughter's mine, my darling, get under the knife. Your broken pride, a cut so perfect in its pride. All that I see, 63, where I'm washing side and knee. I'll be waiting so impatiently. Oh, your heart, aortic work of art, my love, my knife, to carve it out your life. So grab a plate, have a taste, Jacomeir, watch someday. I'm still preying on a butcher's vein, still praying hopeless and vain.